Here's exactly why your winning trades keeps turning into losses if you don't take profits fast enough. Most traders believe the process is simple. You enter a trade, set a 1:2 risk-reward ratio, and wait for price to reach your intended profit target. On paper, that approach makes sense. However, there are many situations where you have experienced yourself where prices move very close to your target, you're already thinking about closing the trade, and then suddenly, the market reverses. It's not just a small pullback, it's a full reversal that takes away your profits and sometimes even hits your stop loss. This is where it becomes frustrating because your entry was right, your direction was correct, so naturally you start wondering what went wrong. The answer is not your strategy, it's your exit. I went through this exact phrase early in my trading as well, where I will watch trades go into profit, tell myself to hold a little bit longer, and then see everything disappear within seconds. At the time, it felt random, but it was not. Over time, I realized that price does not simply move freely towards your target. Right before major profit-taking levels, something happens in the market. And once you recognize it, you start to see the same pattern repeating across different charts and time frames. When I begin adjusting my exit based on this, I stopped watching winning trades turn into losses. I may not always capture the entire move, but I consistently walk away with profits intact, and that made a huge difference to my results. After spending years trading at the prop desk, I eventually refined this into a simple 2-sign exit rule, or what I would call my profit-taking technique that I personally follow. And I'll be breaking it down step by step in my upcoming free price action manipulation webinar. In this session, you will learn how to identify when a move is likely to reverse, why so many 1:2 risk-reward trades fail right before hitting their intended target, and how to apply a clear exit framework. If you're tired of watching your trades go from green to red and feeling like you are so close, click the link below, secure your spot, and I'll show you what most traders never see.